Hi Virgos, welcome back to my place. Seychelles Speaks Messages Gypsy Witch Tarot, sending you love all the way from India. Bharat, Namaste. Follow on Instagram SSHELLS Seychelles Running. Now this is going to be reading for you. I'm going to lay the month sign, the month exact, if that's a calling, okay? So Virgos, and there was also comment that do Virgo reading. I suppose Taurus also, I don't know. I'm going to do it by and by, okay, as per the calling. You're about to receive fruits, and this is basically coming as mango. I heard you're going to receive mango fruit, which is good news because mango is sweet and something that you've been waiting, that you are going to get before season, like when this type of fruit is in season, you're going to get it prior something, because I'm seeing it now, okay? Something that you've been waiting, you're going to hear that news, hear that information, hear whatever is very, like you've been waiting desperately for something, you're going to get that news, okay? That's what I heard. I've been shuffling this Rider-Waite, and you have bottom energy as Queen of Pentacles energy, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. You might be dealing with the one, but I feel this is your energy as in Virgo. You are holding something big. This is going to be big, either money inflow, project that will be getting approved. Now I'm reading for everyone out there as in like connections, twin flames, soulmates, like however you want to name them. Sometimes I don't even, and that's why I don't write, but I do say it. I mean, this is whatever your situation and your connection, general vibes, okay? You also have second last card as Knight of Cups energy, which may be, I am seeing approach. Something fruitful is going to land in your life, okay? Now, this is not a, there was no flip here, so we're going to, okay, there's no flip, but we're going to do the cut and everything and then flip. You have Six of Cups energy on this side. Possible this is connected with the love matter here, with the person from the past, the memories you've laid, or maybe with the person you're already with and you've shared a long time here with the person. Marriages or long-term relationships here, lovers, boyfriends, girlfriends, whatever, partners. Six of Cups energy, and this is also something that you've been desperately waiting, connected with something of work. You're going to get that. Some of you are going to be blessed with a second child. What I said, that's the message. Some of you are going to be blessed with the second child. You might be having one, and now you are getting that news of that, okay? Pregnancy news. Some of you are going to have the resurgence of someone from the past, wherein you are going to meet this person after long, okay? Again, this is also connected with mango. Mango fruit is sweet. Okay, okay. Some of you have been waiting for something from last year, like summers, and you're going to get the news now. Let's see what is with the mango fruit. Okay, there's high manifestation, the magician, like everything will be in your control. Everything that you want or anything that you want, you're going to manifest it on a high or grand level. There's also the calling of certain kind of sweet celebration is also coming here, as if like mango was given to you. That was that's yellow and very sweet, okay? I could only see one. There are so many species of mangoes, right? You know that. If you don't know, you may check that, but you can also check by yourself the symbolism. I haven't done that, but I feel like something sweet is going to enter in your life. With the mango concept, I feel this is the news of good. Possible lovely offer, love, confirmation of something, confession of love, something that is going to be announced. Okay, and that's all I can say. But with the magician, there's going to be high manifestation. They feel the same the way you feel, and it's going to be high vibration. With the magician, you worked for something, you're getting result for that. The magician. Some of you are manifesting your family, or maybe this is family planning. This is also certain kind of shifts might be happening, and those shifts connected with, again, work, place, home, anything that you are doing here It's going to be like everything will go in alignment. I feel with the Magician, things are going to go in alignment here, okay? Because you have all the sources. I also see family support with you. Whatever you are doing, decisions, okay? Okay, fine. What did you say? Okay. This is someone who is with you. You have King of Cups. So Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces might be hanging in there with you. They are the biggest support of you possible. Ace of Swords energy, there's going to be certain talk that is connected with certain important emotional matter or something that you are manifesting here. Whatever you are manifesting. I feel like Magician is your card. And you have big plans. And things are going to work like Magician. Which is like magic. Okay? Something that you are doing. That's what I said. You have 9 of Pentacles energy. You're manifesting something here connected with work area or something connected with that you're single or you are handling something as a person. Like as an individual, single person. Now, it is not connected with any love. Okay? As an individual, you are handling something here. And you are going to be getting recommendation. You are getting preference. I also see like whatever you have done here or whatever thing, this is what mango is. You are getting results for that, fruit for that. I also see like you're getting some freedom from some area. Like accumulated stuff or something that you are feeling stuck, you are going to get free from that area. Whatever that area is. Now let's just see. Some of you are reuniting with someone. Just a specific 2 of Cups energy. I'm sorry, having hiccups. This reunion may be connected with your work matter as well. Something that you desire the most and you're going to get it. Some of you are going to manifest love of your life. That's what I said. So this is about possible shifts in that. The Hierophant, maybe there's a Taurus. But apart from that, this is something also kind of like legal or registration, some bond connected, or this may be some organization that you are leaving or joining in new, whatever that is. Again, there's also something connected with someone who is serious. So manifesting love, maybe you're getting married or maybe confirmation of something here. Love confession. Ooh. And you know what? With the mango energy, I also feel like it's being confirmed because that was full. As if like you're presenting all your love, okay? Or maybe you're getting lovely support or boost in something. That's nice. That was fresh. Fresh love. For some cases, fresh love. Hierophant. Sincere work, sincere love, fresh approach, but on a level of like someone over here is not backing, okay? No backing, like step back is not there. Some of you won't be single anymore, like you're settling, you're getting married, getting engaged, or this is a very high vibe love story. I see manifesting high thing because there is everything. I feel with the Magician and 9 of Pentacles and the Hierophant energy, there is going to be someone, or there is already in your life, who doesn't talk about here and there, hi and hello. They are talking about sense, which is about they are using all their resources or sources to convey you that how much they love you or you are doing it. Like their emotions are true, like their wand is true, like their sword is true, like their pentacle is true. So everything is boom, okay? So high manifestation zone. 2 of Cups, lovers coming together, boom, yeah. Someone is asking you on a date, or this is reunion or union of some sort. There is someone who is asking you and then manifesting it properly. There may be some special arrangement as well. You're ending some criteria or pattern here. Death, maybe Scorpio. But you are ending something. You are ready for something in your life, new beginning, okay? I see you are ending something here, work front kind of, leaving certain organization, you're free from that. You're going to be free. You're going to get good news. I see that. In order to manifest something else, this is about leaving or ending certain relation, professional front with the organization, whatever that is, or work, and then heading towards something. It's like a proper arrangement or proper closure of something, whatever that is. Now for some this is going to be love matter because you have cups energy as well, kind of like, but for some this is work. Okay, this may be even love matters, emotional matters. This is something when you are leaving something and starting something, it does give you that insight of like, am I doing right, or certain kind of dissatisfaction might be hovering around you that you're going to end. Okay, I feel like this card is also connected with Two of Cups energy, with the hope of getting along with something or at work, or getting along in future with love regarding thing. Okay, and that you are having Two of Cups energy. I feel that kind of energy. Also I feel there is someone who is not that content within this kind of like fixed relationship matter, or something wherein someone is dealing with someone. Of course this may be Taurus, this may be any sign here, the signs I gave you. Okay, please ignore the sounds. I may pause the video in the mid, but I'm going to be a little loud. There is something that is stressing you, there's something that doesn't make you happy, so you are ending this, or you are taking big break, kind of like a death zone here. Okay, you are letting things rest in peace in order to start something in your future, like the Mango. Okay, let's see what is coming in future. Let's peep in the future for you. You have you. Okay, now this is about no backing down, or no, not taking any step back kind of energy. Something that you're working on, something that you are holding in. This is Queen of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. Maybe you're dealing with the one, maybe this is work related situation, but with the Virgo zone, you are looking like this to your connection of the now, to the connection of then and now. Okay, that's a trail of something here, or let's just say the track that you've been following, the relationship that you've been in, the work that you've been doing. This energy is all about you are having that flashback, or at least you're looking and having a reflection of some sort in this time about the connection. Okay, what exactly? I'm going to be back, guys. Hi, back again. Okay, I'm going to be a little loud again. They're not moving, they're moving very slow. And let's see. So we were on Queen of Pentacles energy, which is about your vibe, Virgos, or maybe Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and the signs I gave you, because you also have Hierophant. The message that is coming as in like a reflection. Okay, now let's just see what is Queen of Pentacles up to. Oh my god, sorry, oopsie. Oh my god, today there are so many sounds. Look, Queen of Pentacles is having that reflection on certain relationship, connection, memory lane, home, partner, okay, male, female, however your life fits in, whatever is going on. So big changes in this connection. Okay, Six of Cups is researchers. You also have Two of Cups energy in the startup, like manifesting something. Mango fruit we were talking, so you're going to be relishing something. Okay, enjoying something. Possible celebration is here. Possible this is about you are going to go ahead with your people. Okay, this is also that energy. Let's see more on, I'm going to use this deck. Let's see what is the flip. Oh my, here you go. Stone people, you have vigilance. You also have love and compassion that goes with Two of Cups energy, that goes with someone who is there with you or taking stand for you and with you. Mango is also love, kind of like very sweet approach possible. Lovely people around you, or love person is around you. There is love and compassion that goes with that fruit. Okay, there's going to be touch that is going to make you feel full. So possible this is something new. Past energy is also here, so I have to mention it, right? So there's going to be a lot of compassion in your life. Maybe this is your own. Stone people and vigilance, maybe this is going to be verses, feeling and realizations and comprehending. Another thing is second, which I want to say, this is about people you're going to meet in the future. Okay, and people you are with, you're going to have verses, which may be that you know that who love you, who is having compassion, and you might figure out and have like some people coming in your life. Those will be like stone. Okay, very different, from stone age kind of, or stone people who are very fixed, very rude, or possible cold. So there's going to be verses, or maybe this is about something that you've been through and you're realizing who is like compassionate people, like love people, and who are like stone energies. Okay, this is about things here that is coming. Also in future you're going to touch, or someone will touch your life, people who will come in your life, they'll play that role of letting you know or letting you understand that we are compassionate, we are love people. Okay, this is about kindred spirits and all that energy. I feel this is the place where there's going to be high buildings, there's going to be a lot of water, there's going to be energies who are going to be really stone kind of fixed ideas, fixations will be there, right? And okay, I'll be back. Okay, pauses in the mid. So we were on stone people, vigilance. Okay, and I also see kind of they want to tell you possible that in the coming time you're going to have a lot of energies around you with kind of like new people or someone you know from past, but those people will be your like friend, someone who will tell you about this place. Okay, whatever this place is, kind of energy when there's going to be new sky. Not exactly sky is everywhere, but you know, you're going to see new weather, new place, new buildings, new organizations, new office, new workplace, where you are shifting, settling possible. There's a lot of water there, but all is like, it feels though totally different from your place of the current place, right? Okay, and this is also, maybe this is support that you're going to get. That's what is also mango, like love, compassion, sweet people, sweet energies will touch your life. Like this is about this. Okay, the support that you're going to get when you are somewhere, you're going to get support of people, energies who really care for you, people who are connected with you from your childhood, your siblings, your parents, your partner, something. Okay, so whatever you are trying here, new, leaving and starting, this is all about new fruit is coming in your life. Okay, I want to just give you moral of the story that you are going to head towards somewhere. There are going to be more people, more energies, new place, and so your energy should be like vigilance should be there. You should check, you should observe. There's going to be time when you're going to observe new place, new people, new energies. Okay, take care. I love you. See you soon. Bye.